To find that I was by the sea, gazing with tranquility. 'Twas then that the hurdy-gurdy man came singing songs of love. Hurdy-gurdy, hurdy-gurdy, singing songs of love. All right, let's learn this song, Hurdy-Gurdy Man by Donovan. I'll turn off the effects. This is a scary song, right? Just so we can enjoy it like we enjoy a scary movie. Starts on G, B minor, C, D. You can play it with almost all open chords. If you played the B minor like this, put a diagram, and then it goes C, B minor, C, D, G, B minor, C, D. That's the verse. And then the chorus is F, E minor, G. It's then that the hurdy-gurdy man came singing songs of love. And then here's interesting way to play F if you want to, if you're interested. Just play like an F power chord and leave all your other strings open, like your strings 4 through 1. Just play them like that. So that's kind of like sometimes you can do that on like a G. It sounds better on because a lot of those are open G. If you do it on F, it's kind of gives it an ominous kind of sound. Okay, that's my lesson for this Donovan classic. I guess the 60s weren't all fun and games. All right, thanks. Bye.